A very good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Let us start our today's class. And the class is of same chapter, that is chapter number 8. In previous class, we studied about the advantages of networks. In this class, we will study the further concepts, or we can say the topics which has been given in our book. In this particular part, we will discuss about the different types of networking media. Networking medias help us to connect with the mediums, with some other devices. Okay, and these are very important as well as most required, because without these equipments we cannot connect to the network. So in this particular part today I will discuss about the networking medias of the network. So let us start our class with the topic networking media. Networking media. This is our topic for today. Networking media. What is networking media? Networking media, if I say in simple words, so this is the way by which we can connect. Media means medium. Medium, short form of medium is over here is media, by which means we are going to connect it. This we are going to know in this one. Now in networking media, if we talk about the networking media, then there is two types of networking media. The first one is wired networking technology. The first one is wired networking technology. Under this, we have some wires connected from one port to another port, from one system to another system, from one place to another place, and they are sharing their data with the help of these connecting medias. Now, if you talk about wired networking technologies, then the first name comes in our mind is Ethernet cables. Ethernet cables, the oldest form of the wire in computers by which we are connecting through network. We are having some modems, we are having some hubs, we are having some switches by which we are connected, and to connect with that hubs, with that systems, with that switches, we require Ethernet cables. If I say the definition of Ethernet cables, then it is one of the most popular form of network cable used in wired networks. This cable resembles a phone cable but is larger than the phone cable and has 8 wires in it. 8 wires means 8 pins are there which has been connected separately, and these pins are used to differentiate that which type of particular medium we are going to accept. The advantages of these cables is that they have less power consumption, but the drawback with these cables is that the computer requires an Ethernet adapter card on the motherboard to connect the Ethernet cable. This definition is given in your book, you can read. But basically, if I say what is Ethernet cable? Ethernet cable is a wired technology by which we are sharing the data, the files, the documents from one computer to another computer, from one system to another system, from one place to another place, and we can access any data also. So Ethernet cable. Now the next one is coaxial cables. For this I don't have to break my head to make you understand, because you all are using coaxial cables at your home these days. You can check out your set-top box. In that one, this cable is being used. It has been used to run different programs on your TVs, and a coaxial cable is used in the transmission of video, communication and audio. It is basically, or we can say it is mainly used by the cable television industry to connect TVs to a cable, as I said before. These definitions are given in the book, you can read it out. So coaxial cables are basically used to transmit the videos, the audios and the texts. Okay. Now the last one is optical fiber cable. It is the future, or we can say in many countries this particular technology is being used. In our country also, in metropolitan states, not if I talk about the cities, the metro cities like Bangalore, Pune and Mumbai, Delhi's, many places in Delhi, they all are working on this concept, optical fiber cable. Optical fiber is a glass cable. It is very costly and it is very easy to access the data, but due to of its glass nature, it is very costly also, and due to costly, many one cannot afford also. Many of you heard about this fiber, Jio fiber. What is this? This is only that glass cable, but the speed of the network is the fastest than any other network. So these are the three mediums which are used as a wired network technology. The next topic is wireless networking technology. In wireless technology, basically you all are very familiar with these technologies. Here I have written three names: infrared, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Bluetooth, these days many of you are using, like Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth mobiles, in which what happens if your data, if your equipment is around in the distance of 10 meters, some of the Bluetooths are giving 100 meter range also, to access the things by which they are connected to. So Bluetooth is a technology, is a wireless technology by which we can access the data from one equipment to another. We can hear songs, we can see videos by connecting our sets and other devices. The next one is infrared. This technology basically used in your remotes, the TV remotes, and in mobiles also infrared facility is there. That's why most of the mobile phones can access as a remote also. We can switch on our this ACs, TVs, MI phones given this facility. Many phones are giving this facility. Then the last one, the technology means wireless technology is basically made for this one only, Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Means in this one what happens, we can open our hotspots and by which we can connect through the Wi-Fi. After that we can access the informations, the net connectivity, and anything on the net is available, we can access with this Wi-Fi. If I'll give the definition of these things, so it is given in your book. Bluetooth is a communication technology that uses low power radio waves to connect electronic devices wirelessly. It allows users to talk and share information like voice, music and videos. Many things are there. I had told you about only 100 meters, but some of the Bluetooths can give you the range of 240 meters, 40 meters also. Now infrared technology. Infrared technology is a short-range communication technology that covers approximately 5 meters of distance. It is used to exchange information between computers, cellular phones and faxes by emitting infrared waves through infrared LEDs. You can check out your remote phones. There is one LED placed in your remotes by which it can change the channels. Last one, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It creates a wireless local area network that uses radio waves to send the information. A secure, reliable and fast wireless connection is established between the electronic devices and the Ethernet by using this technology. So this is the description about these particular items. So in this video, we had discussed about networking area, and under this wire networking technology and wireless technology. Wireless technology is there. In wire technology, we are studying about Ethernet cables, coaxial cables, optical fibers, and the last wireless networking technology, Bluetooth, infrared, and Wi-Fi. Hope you all cleared about these topics. And if you are having any problem, you go through your books. You are having examples also. You can check it out. Still, after seeing this video, if you are having any question regarding any networking portion, so you can ask in the video class. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day. We'll meet in the next video class with the next video lecture. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day. Thank you.